on this episode of the VR-4.
Mitsu guy?
Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking this connector off and putting it on the 3000 GT. My connectors, some of these wires aren't fully connected, and this one looks pretty fine. This one came off of the red 3000 GT that I got in the last video, or one of the videos ago. So I'm just gotta take this connector off and splice it into the ones that I have in, and then I can just put this on the bracket, put this on the connector on the other one. So alright guys, so I popped it off. You can see there's some nasty stuff in there, but I think I should be okay. I'm just gonna try it anyways. I don't really have any component connector cleaner or anything, so hopefully this will just work. All connected. So I'm just going to cut the other wire, get this ready to be able to splice into the other ones, and then splice these in here and connect the other connector.
Okay, so this is the wire that I'm talking about. It's like that was not even on, that was barely holding on, so I'm just gonna cut those ones and put those in there because that's a lot better than that. At least this one is connected and that was. So let me cut those wires and splice in these ones. Alright, so all the connectors are done and they look pretty good. Connected them to the right ones. Putting these back on. My little tab is broken on this one too, so I could switch that one, but I feel like doing all that rewiring. There it goes. So that's done. I'm wanting to put the battery in here to get to start it because I haven't started it in a while. And the last time that I started it, it was weak. The battery was weak, but I charged it and it said it had a full battery. So I'm gonna try to put it back in there and detach all the accessories and see how the car is running, and see, hopefully by changing that off and fixing that, maybe that'll fix our issue.
Alright, and now I'm just showing my hood struts for my hood basically. It comes with a ball with a screw on the end. You have to take that out of the actual hood part that comes up of the hood. Screws out with, I believe, a 10 or 12, and then comes out. You have to put the other ones in, and then that is the hole basically where it shows where I had to unscrew it out. The job wasn't that difficult. It did take me a little while to try to get the wrench on there, but I was able to get it on, and everything was able to flow well. And as you can see, the new hood shocks, I should say, are on there. No issues. And I like the material. They're all black and they're all brand new.
Tune in next time on the VR4.